I think I'm really looking forward to obviously interacting with him as well. And action se leke, I think last couple of episodes that I had seen of the last season, I think he's very encouraging. He really boosts up your morale, and I think that is something you really need on when you're attempting to do things like this. So I think that's a good thing for a host to have while he's hosting a show, and I'm really looking forward to that.
Yeah, I have the same feelings. Ditto.
I think ask her first now.
Let's see.
So आप लोग क्या are you a bit frightened with रोहित कि वो कुछ कर सकते हैं ऐसा जिससे कि
No, I think he's very encouraging. मतलब मैंने जितने भी episodes देखे, I've seen all the episodes. I've noticed one thing which I will keep in mind. We'll all keep in mind that he पहले बहुत डराते हैं. फिर आप जैसे ही stunt करने लगते हैं तो बोलते हैं अरे it's easy, कुछ नहीं होगा. So I've noticed that. So he's very encouraging and he's very motivating, and he obviously he can't ease out the stunt for you, but he eases you out while you're doing it. Like, he tells you the technique. If you miss a point, he'll tell you, oh, you had to go there. So I think that's really nice for somebody who's, हम इतना hyper हो जाएंगे अगर होए तो we'll panic. So it's nice to have somebody like that who helps us.
Ditto. Now say ditto. Just waiting for you.
Okay, so what is going to be the winning strategy for this?
Wow. Yeah. हम ही आए. I'm Mr. India and I've represented India.
Yeah, we are the finalists. No, right now we're really talking like that. No, I think there's no strategy. It's just about going and having a good time and just doing your best. And I just hope the best person wins.
Yes. I think it's more about doing every stunt and doing your best in every stunt. That's all I can say, because this is not something we can prepare for. This is not like a Nach Baliye where we do rehearsals for about a week and then we go on stage. This is all going to be there. No retake, nothing. So it's different. So we can't really prepare more than, confidence sometimes becomes overconfidence. So I think the only thing we can say is mental strength. And I hope whoever wins, but I hope this time a girl wins.
Which is that thing?
That is ditto.
Yeah, man.
I hope so too.
Okay, in real life, which is that thing which frightens you? ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जिससे एकदम
हाइट. मुझे हाइट से डर लगता है. अगर मैं हार्नेस पे रहूंगी तो ठीक है, बट अगर मुझे हाइट पे खड़ा कर दे और नीचे पानी है तो बहुत ही अजीब सा कैच 22 है. मुझे पानी से डर नहीं लगता, बट मुझे हाइट से नीचे देखने में बहुत डिजीनेस होती है. So yeah, that's scary, and I think cockroaches. I'm scared of cockroaches. I'm really scared of cockroaches.
Honestly, like now, just because she said height, like मैं height से नहीं डरती, लेकिन if you make me stand on a building, on like 100 feet tall building, and make me look down, of course I'm gonna be scared. So पता नहीं है, बाहर जाके ही पता चलेगा exactly what I'm actually what our real fears are. Right now, sitting here, zilch, I have no idea.
So what are the other projects you're busy with apart from this?
Nothing. I'm only busy with this. How can I be busy with anything else apart from this? There are a few things which I was talking about, but I had to let go of them because I took this up. So after I come back, there'll be new sets of meetings and all of that. So nothing as of now apart from this.
I have one film releasing sometimes in March now, once I come back. So till then I'm pretty much in this. So once I come back, I'll look forward to the release of my film.
Thank you. आप खतरों की खिलाड़ी में देखने वाले हो मेरे फेवरेट चैनल्स पे वापस. तो आई होप कि आपको पसंद आए जो भी मैं स्टंट्स कर रही हूँ, जो मेरा नया कैरेक्टर आप देखने वाले हो. सो एंजॉय खतरों की खिलाड़ी. थैंक यू सो मच.
Yeah, go on.
I'm just trying to build some muscles as of now. This is a very small thing. मैं हर रोज ये बन सकती हूँ.
Susana, खतरों के खिलाड़ी is back. So how excited and what is the level of nervousness?
More than Khatron Ke Khiladi is back, I'm happy that I am back with Khatron Ke Khiladi. So
I am very happy and of course excited and nervousness तो है ही because ये normal show है नहीं where I'm just going to go do my makeup and sit. So it's a very challenging show and I'll be doing a lot of stunts that I've never done before. So I'm looking forward and I'm very scared but definitely excitement की वजह से I'm very positive and I think I can do my best and give my best for the show.
Which is that thing which prompted you to just go for the show back to back? Big
I think
Boss, उसके बाद फिर ये क्या?
eventually the only thing that prompts you to do anything is the excitement of the subject. I think KKK is a very exciting project overall, you know, because it's a very spontaneous thing. Second, it's you know, there is a preparation in a way because I don't know what am I going to do next. So it's a very, you know, go type of a thing because you don't know what are you going to do, what stunt are you going to do, what are you going to face, you know, if you're going to be able to do the stunt or no. So it's a lot of question mark, you know, with every day you get up with a question mark. So I think I don't know what am I going to do.
So back to back reality shows, Big Boss, उसके बाद ये क्या is it?
नहीं 2 साल का ब्रेक हुआ है ना.
कोई strategy like या फिर it just happened like?
It just happened. I think it's just your decision eventually when you want to do what, you know. Last year also I was offered Khatron Ke Khiladi, but I thought that would be back-to-back TV show. So I took a break of a year, and today again when I was offered, I thought I should do it because I've always liked this concept of Khatron Ka Khiladi, and last year it was very good. So this year I think with a little counseling, I was okay. Yeah, I can do it.
And what do you have to say about Rohit?
Shetty.
Action movies के लिए तो वो हमेशा
Of
से
course,
जाने
वो
जाते
बहुत
हैं।
जान.
As a host आप उनको कैसे देखते हैं?
As a host, is very good. He's one of the best hosts we have today because last season was amazing with Rohit Shetty, and he's a very motivating host. So it's very important that your host motivates you to complete your task and to attempt different type, you know, to attempt all the tasks as well. So that is the best part about him. So I'm looking forward. I don't know कि क्या होगा, कितना exciting journey होगा. So I'm just waiting for my trip and waiting for the adventure.
Okay, so what's going to be the winning strategy for the show?
There is no strategy because you can't do anything in terms of strategy. It is all on the basis of time कि आप कितना जल्दी stunt complete करते हो. So I think my only strategy is to complete my stunt as soon as possible.